The Prophet ﷺ told us that all the inhabitants of paradise will be 33 years old, and they will never get any older. The Quran mentions that in the paradise there will be no sweat, no bad smells, nobody has to take a bath, nobody gets older, nobody gets tired, there is no wounding, there's no bad words, nobody has to work, there's no labor, nobody has to pay for anything. Everybody has their own palace. Everybody will have beautiful clothing. Everybody will sit on brocade couches with pearls and diamonds encrusted. Everybody will have the food that they like to eat without having to cook it. Fruits will grow inside your garden. You just call the fruit and it bends down and gives itself to you. Everybody will be served. Nobody will have to cook or get up and clean and wash and do dishes. Everybody will be served. Paradise means everything in life that you ever imagined, that you ever wanted, you will have it there, but on the highest level. And the best thing of all, nobody in paradise will die. Everybody will live forever, and the words will be peace. Because what else could paradise be but the best of whatever it is people want in this life that they can never have? That's what paradise is.